In a world where luxury and futuristic innovation merge seamlessly, one vehicle stands out as a true masterpiece of design, engineering, and ambition. Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we introduce you to the BMW Supernova, a motorhome that doesn't just redefine travel, it reimagines the very concept of what a luxury RV can be. From the very first glance, the BMW Supernova demands attention. The exterior design is unlike anything seen before on a motorhome, blending the sharp aerodynamic lines of a hypercar with the commanding presence of a futuristic transport machine. Its body is finished in a sleek metallic silver with flowing contours that catch the light from every angle. Golden LED accents trace along its curves, highlighting the futuristic aesthetic and giving the motorhome a glowing, almost living presence. The oversized wheels, detailed with black and gold finishes, are not only striking in appearance but engineered for stability and performance on long journeys. The tinted panoramic glass windows stretch along the body, seamlessly integrated into the design, creating a flowing unity between form and function. The front fascia proudly wears the iconic BMW grille, reshaped into a bold, futuristic pattern that instantly tells you this is more than just a motorhome. It's a symbol of prestige and cutting-edge engineering. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more captivating. The lounge area is the heart of the Supernova's interior, designed to blend comfort, technology, and futuristic style in a compact yet premium space. The lounge features modular seating that adapts to the needs of the moment. Using gesture-controlled mechanics, the seats can recline, rotate, or fold flat into hidden storage, maximizing the use of space. The surfaces are crafted with black chrome finishes, glossy trims, and subtle golden LED highlights, mirroring the same visual DNA of the exterior. Intelligent climate control adapts to the preferences of each individual in the lounge, ensuring ultimate comfort. Built-in smart glass panels can shift from transparent to opaque with a simple voice command, giving passengers privacy or opening up panoramic views when desired. Wireless charging pads, AI-powered personal assistants, and ambient lighting that adapts to mood or time of day complete the experience, making the lounge a compact yet powerful showcase of BMW's futuristic vision. The bedroom of the Supernova is where compact design meets the art of rest and rejuvenation. Far from being a cramped sleeping pod, this bedroom is a futuristic retreat. The centerpiece is a smart bed designed to adjust automatically to posture, offering ergonomic support for restful sleep. Integrated biometric sensors track health metrics such as heart rate, breathing patterns, and sleep cycles, giving you real-time insights into your wellness. The walls feature hidden storage solutions that open with a soft touch or voice command, ensuring that every inch of space is functional yet discreet. Above the bed, a digital ceiling display allows for customizable visuals, from a starry night sky to calming ocean waves, helping create the perfect sleep environment. Ambient soundscapes can be activated through integrated speakers, while precision air filtration technology maintains fresh and clean air quality inside. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a personal sanctuary designed for both recovery and indulgence. The kitchen in the Supernova takes the concept of compact efficiency to new heights. Every surface serves multiple purposes, ensuring that functionality never compromises the futuristic aesthetic. Sleek retractable counters reveal induction cooktops and high-efficiency appliances when needed, then fold away to keep the space minimal and uncluttered. Smart appliances are fully integrated with the motorhome's AI system, allowing you to control cooking functions through voice commands. A precision refrigerator automatically monitors food freshness and suggests meal options based on available ingredients. There's even a self-cleaning surface technology that eliminates spills and stains instantly. Golden LED accents trace along the cabinetry, creating a warm yet futuristic glow that blends perfectly with the silver and black chrome finishes. This kitchen isn't just for preparing meals, it's an intelligent partner that transforms cooking into a seamless, enjoyable experience. Moving into the bathroom, BMW continues to showcase innovation in even the smallest of spaces. The Supernova's bathroom is designed with compact elegance, where every element feels futuristic and premium. The shower system uses water recycling and purification technology, ensuring efficiency without compromising comfort. Touch-free faucets respond instantly to hand gestures, while the sink and toilet feature smart hygiene systems that clean themselves after every use. Ambient golden LED lighting creates a soothing glow, reflecting beautifully against the glossy black chrome and silver finishes. Despite its compact size, the bathroom feels expansive due to the intelligent design, proving that luxury doesn't require excess space when every detail is engineered with precision. The cockpit is where the Supernova truly feels like the command center of the future. Designed for both aesthetics and control, the cockpit combines BMW's driving DNA with next-generation technology. The driver is greeted with a sleek black chrome dashboard that features fully holographic display panels, eliminating the need for physical buttons. Real-time navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment options are projected in crisp 3D, customizable to the driver's preferences. The steering interface is compact, futuristic, and responsive, with haptic feedback that adapts to driving conditions. Autonomous driving technology is fully integrated, allowing the motorhome to switch seamlessly between manual and self-driving modes. The cockpit seats are crafted in premium leather with smart posture adjustment, ensuring comfort on long drives. Gesture and voice controls minimize distraction, while a 360-degree camera system provides unparalleled visibility around the vehicle. It's a perfect fusion of futuristic luxury and ultimate driving confidence. Performance is another area where the BMW Supernova doesn't disappoint. Built on an advanced hybrid electric platform, this motorhome is engineered to deliver both power and efficiency. The multiple motor system ensures smooth acceleration despite the vehicle's size, while adaptive suspension keeps the ride balanced and comfortable across all terrains. Advanced energy management ensures long-distance capability, and the regenerative braking system contributes to overall efficiency. Driving the Supernova feels less like maneuvering an RV and more like commanding a futuristic grand tourer, proving that size and performance can coexist without compromise. As for pricing, the BMW Supernova is not just a vehicle. It's an investment in the future of luxury travel. With cutting-edge technology, unparalleled design, and groundbreaking features, it positions itself at the very top of the motorhome market. While exact pricing will depend on configurations and technology packages, it's expected to command a figure in the multi-million-dollar range. This isn't aimed at the average consumer. It's crafted for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of design, engineering, and prestige in their travels. The BMW Supernova is more than just a motorhome. It's a moving work of art, a luxury lounge, a futuristic home, and a powerful vehicle all in one. Every corner, every feature, and every detail has been crafted to push boundaries and create an experience unlike any other. It sets a new benchmark for what's possible in the world of luxury RVs, offering not just transportation, but a lifestyle statement. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the BMW Supernova, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more in-depth coverage of the most futuristic and luxurious vehicles in the world.